Hi, welcome back to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another inspiring story for you. Before we go on to my story, let's look at some statistics. India is among the top 5 countries in the world today in child sexual abuse, or CSA as we call it. Between 2001 and 2011, we have had 48,000 cases of CSA, and there has been an increase of 336% between 2001 and 2011, where in 2001 there were about 2,113 cases registered. In 2011, this is 7,211 cases registered, a huge jump of 336%. CSA, or child sexual abuse, permanently scars the children. It is a heinous crime against mankind. The children who undergo CSA tend to suffer depression, low self esteem, other physical side effects of the same. It is a heinous crime against mankind. Also, because of India's conservative society, cases of CSA are normally hushed up by the parents, caretakers, and teachers. The 48,000 cases I'm talking about of CSA between 2001 and 2011 are only the tip of the iceberg, and majority of the cases are hushed away. An inspirational Indian, a woman social entrepreneur, Pooja Taparia, has made a difference to cases of CSA in our country. Pooja is a graduate of Applied Art and Graphic Design from Sophia College. In 2006, she saw a play on child sexual abuse, CSA as we'll refer it throughout this episode, and it influenced her and changed her mindset to do something in this area. Pooja was pursuing a career in social change and development. She had over 8,000 hours as a volunteer in an educational institute in Gujarat before she decided to go ahead and make a change in CSA. She founded Arpan, an organization, in 2006 to make a difference in this area. Between 2006 to 2012, she was responsible for along with her team, putting through 70,000 children in 130 schools through Arpan's flagship program on personal safety education. She has directly influenced these 70,000 children and over 3 lakh adults, that is, the parents, teachers, and caretakers across schools, NGOs, government organizations, shelters, and orphanages in handling of CSA cases. She founded ARPAN, and she also is the founding member of SARC Association of Prevention of Child Abuse and Neglect. Pooja Taparia has been awarded Architect of the Future Award in 2013 for exemplary work as a social entrepreneur, and the Karamveer Puraskar in 2010 by iCongo in New Delhi. ARPAN's premier program is the Personal Safety Education. It's the flagship program of ARPAN, where knowledge, skills, attitude, training is given to children to prevent child sexual abuse and to seek support if child sexual abuse happens. This training is given in school, orphanages, and shelter homes. And NGOs help identify the most vulnerable sections of the children and put them through this training. Pooja had started this in 2006 with 2 volunteers. Today, she has got over 100 volunteers with her who are trained and empowered to work and resolve child sexual abuse cases. It's not only children who are put through this personal safety education program, but also caretakers and teachers, parents, so that they can better handle and prevent CSA. If you too want to join hands against this heinous crime of child sexual abuse, you can reach out to ARPAN or Pooja Taparia at arpan.org.in. You can also give them a call on their landline numbers 022 2686 2244 or 022 2686 8444. You can also reach out on their mobile 98190 86444. You could email them at the email ID info@arpan.org.in. Pooja Taparia and her NGO ARPAN are making major inroads against the heinous crime of child sexual abuse. Their programs are geared up towards fighting and eradication of child sexual abuse, and where these have already occurred, the survivors of child sexual abuse are given medical and psychological treatment to overcome the side effects of this heinous crime. Friends, sexual exploitation, even in adults, is a major heinous crime which has major side effects on the human psyche. And we are talking about children here who are being sexually abused. Please stand up and be counted. Make a difference. Let us work together in ensuring that together we are able to bring down such cases of this heinous child sexual abuse. In India, unfortunately, This crime is going by leaps and bounds, and we need your support to bring an end to this heinous crime. Please reach out to Arpan to join hands with them if you can as a volunteer, or to donate towards their flagship program of personal safety education. Each session of this costs about 1900 rupees to organize, and if you can contribute 1900 rupees, it will help put many children, teachers, caretakers and parents through this program, thereby preventing an heinous crime from occurring, and also support those children who have already been put through this terrible torture. It is women like Pooja Taparia who are standing up and being counted to make a difference to society. They are making a difference. You too could make a difference. Not all of us can make a difference to 5,000, 10,000 people, but all of us can stand up and make a difference to one person. We can, at the least, make a difference to one person, the ripples of which will spread out to society. You do not know your single of what will be the outcomes of your single act of kindness. Stand up, be counted, make a difference. Friends, if you do like my inspirational stories about ordinary people making an extraordinary difference to society, please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, and press the bell icon so that you get a notification of every inspirational story that we released for you. Till we meet again with another inspirational story, please do stand up, be counted, make a difference. Your single act of kindness in these COVID times will make somebody's life easier. Till we meet again, good luck and all the best.